Hi, I'm Kelsea Brennan-Wessels, and welcome back to Earth from Space on the European Space Agency Web-TV. This image from the Landsat 8 satellite, captured on February 28th of last year, features part of the southern Patagonian ice field, the world's second largest contiguous extrapolar ice field, as well as two lakes of Argentina's Los Glaciares National Park. The park was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1981 and is situated in the area around Lake Viedma and the country's largest freshwater lake, Argentino. Both are fed by water from melting glaciers and by rivers, and their unique color is attributed to glacier milk, or suspended fine sediment produced by the abrasion of glaciers rubbing against rock. The majority of the nearly 50 big glaciers fed by the Patagonian ice field in the park have been retreating during the last 50 years because of warming temperatures. In the upper left, we can see the Viedma Glacier feeding Lake Viedma. To its south is the Uppsala Glacier, which has retreated more than 3 kilometers in the past 15 years. Here, we see the Perito Moreno Glacier, the most famous glacier in the park because of its rupture process, and one of the few not retreating or advancing, but appearing to be in equilibrium, going through cycles of retreats and advances. Located on a narrow channel that separates the main body of Lake Argentino from its southern arm, Perito Moreno forms an ice dam when it advances to the extent that it reaches the land on the other side of the channel, creating two separate bodies of water. Once the dam is formed, water and ice commence a kind of duel. Water from melting glaciers drain into the trapped section of the lake, and the force of the rising waters inevitably becomes too much, and the ice dam gives way to crushing lake waters trapped beneath it, finally breaking apart. This process first occurred in 1917, submerging a several hundred-year-old forest, and has occurred over 20 times since then. And that brings us to the end of this edition of Earth from Space. Remember that we broadcast online every Friday at 10 o'clock Central European Summer Time. Watch us on our website or through the ESA app on your mobile device. For myself and all of us here at the ESA Web-TV studios, have a great day.